Yeah, das war der Tune Ghetto Youth from Jennifer Barrett, live bei uns im Studio.
Yes,
Yes, so let's get back to the interview. You already have been telling us a little bit how you get involved with the whole reggae scene,
yes.
and you've been talking a lot of things about the reggae scene and how you get to it. And can you tell us a little bit more general about the reggae scene in Kingston, Jamaica, because people here, they do not know it, so...
Okay. Now I think they're making a big mistake down there in Jamaica right now, because they're more putting dancehall up front. And I tell you, reggae is the foundation. You understand? It's a more firmer music that stick and stay, and also to educate the youth in the right way. And if you're going to do another genre of music, and if you do it with a negative vibration, the youths are going to be uncontrollable, man. So right now in Jamaica, the youths are getting uncontrollable, man, with the type of music and lyrics they're having up front now. It's dangerous, I tell you, because it's not. As I say, it's not motivating the youth, you know, to become a more positive men and women of the society. So they don't understand music. Music is very important to anyone's life. I don't know anyone that don't like music. Anybody that don't like music must be a dead person. Huh? So if the music is so important, it's like a good vitamins and good food for our diets. Huh? So we need to have it the right way, so that our body can react the right way. Because if you put the wrong food within our body, I mean, our body will break down, man. So if we put bad music and bad words within our system, man, our system break down. And that is what is happening right now. If you're going to have, say, dancehall, have something good within the music, so it can be sustainable for everyone, not only for the youth, you know, for the whole world, really.
So let's say the message of the music is another thing in Jamaica right now than it was before.
Yes, it's not good. I'm not gonna pretty up anything, because the reality will face you if you travel there. So I have to say it's not good, and the people there know it's not good, because how can you have an artist that is a #1 artist that cannot travel? That is craziness.
Yeah.
That is total craziness.
We heard about it with all the visa that were taken away from a lot of artists.
That is craziness, and these artists are up front the music. So you see the mistake that they're making, because if they were positive, I mean, the world wouldn't be denying them. I really know,
Yeah,
so
everybody would welcome them.
Everybody would welcome them. So I say, for Jamaica right now, they're seeing the thing, that the mistake that they're making, and making a step now to change the thing. You understand? Because I mean, we understand what is happening, but there are also ways in which to sing it to reach the people. You don't have to sing it like that. I don't understand them sometimes, the artists. Their focus and their idea. Because, as I say, for music, the youth listen to that every day. They're not going to listen to the politician every day. They listen to your music every day, man. Yeah, so if you send positive vibration to the youth and to the people, when they wake up, they're going to be strong and good.
Yeah, I know, but it seems to me that you're just in the right place, because I know Bernie as your promoter. I know him for a long time, and I know my crew, and we just agree.
Yes.
It's just like that, and so we're very happy to have you here again to spread some, let's say, a good message to the people then with our. And as I already introduced now a little bit Bernie to this interview, how did you two get together and run business?
Yeah, truly by guidance, you know, and it was the brother David Usher. He's based in Wiesbaden, and with him Empress Tina and him, they've been to Jamaica recently, and yeah, David just told me about one singer he got to know at the airport, you know, with this female singer called Jennifer Barrett, and that she's going to be in France, and yeah, they talk about, or they invite her to her place already, and that she will come, and So we link up, together, and it was just for 3 weeks or 2 weeks here, and we just try my best, to get some opportunities, some for shows it was a little short, but some interviews, and surely we're looking for some jobs as well, so any someone interested or any producer interested wants some production jingle as well, just link up via MySpace or Blazing Vibes.
Yeah, I mean, you can find the links on our homepage, and I mean, how can the people get in contact with you?
You can find Jennifer Barrett on the MySpace, www.myspace.com, Jennifer Barrett JA, or you can also find Shine Live on the MySpace, www.myspace.com/ShineYourLight. Or just via Blazing Vibes as well.
Yeah, even you can call us in the show, right? 1200, that's the number you have to call. That's the special code to get to our show. And maybe if you have a special question, Jennifer Barrett will be here. Bernie is here, if you have a question, just call us. So, right, we keep on going on with your music.
Yes.
I mean, as we already heard, 2 messages. Right, it's another message. The tune is called World Suffering.
Yes.
So, can you tell us a little bit about this song?
Okay, World Suffering, as the song is, there's so much suffering that is happening in the world. I saw it a long time ago, and I sing it because I see that the people are not going in the right direction, and if you're not going in the right direction, you're going to suffer. Yes. The consequences of all these crazy things. The people wonder why there is so much flood and why there's so much fire happening and train crashing and plane crashing all around the world, and they don't check how they're destroying this place here. What do you call it? Earth. You understand? I mean, you get Earth to enjoy the thing, man, and what I see is a lot of destruction, and people fighting for so much power. I am not understanding the thing. You see how I say? Because everybody, we came here as a baby, man. Everybody was in a Pampers, and then they grow, and suddenly they want to take over the world. It's not possible to take over the world, because you came here and you saw all of this thing here. So it wasn't given unto you to own, man. So enjoy the little time you arrive here and make the world happen, man.
Yeah, so people should not take over the world, people should make it a better place.
Better place, thank you.
So run it.